Good morning. Well, today is the start of vanfest. It's a 4-day gathering of who knows how many bands, maybe as many as 150 here in Melbourne, Florida. vanfest will be starting in about an hour or two, and a group of us that are going to camp together are staging across the street, and as soon as they open the gates, we'll be going over and settling in for a weekend of fun and festivities.
Alright, but that's my little cooking stove for outside, my little table. Then I have a 2000 watt burner as well. And wired for shore power, I have two 55 amp hour batteries, and then under here. Back to the and I carry the water with me, and the air fryer, coffee.
Well, vanfest is almost over, and we had a great time. There's still a lot of nighttime festivities that we'll hopefully go to. Entertainment singers tonight. But all in all, it was a fabulous, fabulous weekend. And great people here, great neighbors, and we couldn't have asked for more.